Hello everyone and welcome to this very tricky math question. 3 minus 11 parenthesis 3 minus 11. Okay, try to solve by your own and comment your answer whatever it will be, right or wrong. I will give you a shout out here. If you have commented earlier, please check out your name here. You can check out by pausing this video. So here we can say we will use with the help of PEMDAS, or you can say order of operations there. So here we can see according to PEMDAS, first preference will be given to parenthesis, that is equal to P parenthesis exponent multiplication division addition subtraction. First preference will be given to this parenthesis 3 minus 11, which equals to minus 8. So we can simply write minus 8 on the place of 3 minus 11. Okay, so we can rewrite here 3 minus 11 minus 8 like this. Okay, and here what we can see here, there is, when we remove this parenthesis, there is automatically multiplication come. So we will simply write like this, times minus 8. Okay, now there are actually only two operations. This is minus value, we can put here like this to easily solve this math. Now what we have, there is subtraction and multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, multiplication of the higher priority, so we'll first multiply this, not like this, like 3 minus 11, that is equal to what, minus 8, and that is minus 8, and minus 8 times minus 8, that is equal to 64. This is not the right way. True. Here we will solve in a right way. We will rewrite here 3 minus 11 times minus 8, 3 minus, when we multiply minus 11 with minus 8, we will get plus 88. Okay, how this happened? That is minus times minus is equal to plus, plus times minus is equal to minus, and plus times plus which equals to plus. So here this follows. Okay, now 3 plus 88, which equals to nothing but 91. So here right answer is 91, not 64. Okay, this is the right way. And if you've seen this, then must check out our best product in the description. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.